Bielefeld, an industrial city in the northwest of Germany, a place steeped in tradition. Home of production facilities which have shaped the face of vacuum cleaning now for more than 80 years. Today, more than 1 million vacuum cleaners leave Miele Bielefeld each year. One reason for Miele's excellent product quality is the use of intelligent technology, ensuring precise and rational production. Another reason is the close proximity between production and product design and engineering at one and the same location. Key components are not simply purchased on the open market. They are developed and produced by Miele. An important prerequisite for exceptional quality, down to the very last detail. Quality has many faces at Miele. A Miele S7, for instance, is built according to the one machine, one worker principle. This means that each unit is assembled by one and the same person, from beginning to end. A high-quality, world-class product takes shape in the hands of skilled assembly line workers at Miele. With care, concentration, and respectful attention to detail. Line workers personally responsible for the quality of their products. Quality made in Germany. Ready for a journey which will take them to the four corners of the globe.